Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, where it's all about beauty meets technology. Have you ever wanted to put something alive on your face? Well, I didn't think about it yet, but this product we're going to be trying today apparently has ingredients in it that consist of live microorganisms that are specially engineered to do something for your skin. And it also works with this kind of AI system that can calculate like your specific needs and wants for your skin, really only for you, specially made. So yeah, I'm really curious to try it out. So let's see what we have to do to create this perfect skin. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a cream base, some different ingredients we can put together later. There's a UV Protect solution that has Lactobacillus ultravioleticus. Okay. We have the skin smoothing solution, natural scrub, I see. I guess the goal is to put this together, but to find out how, we have to connect to the app. So I'm gonna do that now. I've already downloaded it, by the way. So I will show you what it looks like. So you can see already like my profile with all the information that I still have to fill in. But this is what the apps look like. Okay, it's already asked me what I'm going to do tomorrow. Nothing going on, I guess, so I'll just put in normal day, few hours of sun probably. And now it's asking me to make a picture of my face, so I will do that. Okay, should be good. Okay, so it's calculating now. I'm excited. Oh, okay. This is actually the formula that I have to mix together myself. So we are starting with the cream base. Doesn't have a smell by itself. It says 1 scoop. It's 1 scoop. Now the UV protection, 2 drops. Okay. And the skin smoothing solution. Oh, and also the scenting agent, which is optional. You can also choose to not order it, but I did because I like smells. So there's supposed to be 1 drop. Alright, so I'm gonna mix it now. Ooh, smells really nice. Yeah, it's really like a floral-y scent, I guess. So it looks like this, just basically some white cream. Nothing really special. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in this box now, so I can put it on tomorrow. Yeah, I'll check back with you tomorrow morning when I'm all fresh and showered. So see you guys then. Hey guys, so welcome to my bathroom. As you can see, I just came out of the shower. So I guess it's time to try this new product by the Alive Beauty skincare. Gonna try like a little amount, rub it on my hands and then in my face. It feels just like a normal cream actually. It's quite moisturizing. I don't really feel this alive organisms on my skin or something. I guess we'll see. Check in with you guys later. For now, first impressions, it seems fine. Hey guys, so another update. I've been using the product for 1 week now, I think, and everything's been going fine. Yeah, no problems at all. But as you can see, my skin is quite red. I don't know what happened, but I think the AI calculated something wrong or something, or maybe I mixed something wrong, but at least the result is that I got a bit of sunburn. I think because there was too little SPF in the daily cream. I hope that won't happen again. I hope it's just a one-time error. I guess we'll see. Hey guys, another quick update. So it's the 3rd week now. I've just applied the product again and I think, yeah, my skin looks quite good. It's looking fresh, clean. Also used the scrub because the AI said that my skin needed some more exfoliation. So I did that. And there was this one incident, another kind of, yeah, I think it's my fault actually. But I forgot to tell the AI that I was going to the sauna that day. As you know, in the sauna it can get quite hot and also humid or sweaty. I don't know, the microorganisms reacted weirdly, I guess. And so they got kind of stinky. Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing. And also my skin turned a little bit greenish or something. So that wasn't the best idea. So I recommend just really telling everything you're going to do for the day to the AI. So you won't run into these problems.
So we're back now. It's been 1 month. Yeah, in the beginning I asked you like, I'm gonna put something alive on my face. And I was kind of nervous about it. Yeah, in the end, you don't really feel it at all. It actually feels kind of nice on your face. My skin condition kind of really improved actually. Yeah, there were some issues that you already saw in the video. But all in all, I think it's a great product and a great invention. So yeah, I would recommend. So if you also want to try this product, the affiliate links are in the description box below. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!